Hi guys, welcome back to my Thursday Move Anywhere Anytime series. So on my blog this week and last week, I've been working on a 3-part series about breathing. And I think breathing is just really, really important. We don't necessarily have to breathe perfectly all day, every day. We all are going to slip in and out of different patterns, but using it at certain times of the day can really help with some musculoskeletal pain. It can also help calm us down a little bit. So I'm going to continue this week with another breathing exercise, and I promise to get back to some other stuff in the next couple of weeks. But I just thought this might be a good tip. So last week we talked about getting the ribs to expand in the back by kind of sitting in your car and pushing your ribs to the back. This time I'm going to talk about getting the ribs to expand out to the side. So when we breathe in, our ribs should kind of go out this way. Now, a lot of us are gripping our abs all the time, so our ribs, we'll just kind of go up like that when we take a deep breath, okay? And yes, our chest should come up a little bit when we breathe in, but it needs to come out too, and the air needs to be able to get all the way down, or the pressure needs to get all the way down to our abdomen. So we're going to work on getting that expansion. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start and take our hands and put them on the sides of our ribs, and we are gently going to just give a little resistance, okay? If you have osteoporosis to the ribs or any previous rib injury, I wouldn't push into your hands, but for most people, just real gentle. We're not trying to break ribs here, just a gentle push in, just so you can feel your hands. And when you breathe in, push your hands out. When you blow out, let them sink all the way back down. So in, push those hands out, all the way back in. And what you're not seeing is here, where my hands are really barely moving, here. Now, if you're not at work or you're at home and you have a band, or you can even keep this at your desk, you could just take a small exercise band, or a towel will work, and just wrap it around you tight a little bit. And you're just going to give a pull with the band. I'm not pulling tightly. Again, we're not trying to break ribs. It's literally just barely sitting there. And breathe out and back in. Now, the great thing with this is you can actually work on your back expansion too. So you can kind of feel that band. You can feel your ribs go out into the band to the sides and to the back. So. And when we blow out, we want to purse our lips a little bit to get a little resistance to the diaphragm, so we can actually train the diaphragm a little bit. That helps to make it stronger. Try a little breathing anytime you're just sitting at your desk, or you're at home and you have a band. If you're feeling a little tense and wound up, try some breathing with your ribs expanding. You can also use this if you're having some upper back or neck pain. A lot of times that helps just to change up that feeling of breathing from here all the time. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you want a little more tips about breathing, check out my last 2 blogs on Kelly Kuhn PT, where I discuss the importance of breathing and different ways to breathe that might help.